Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the cheese so it holds shape when cooked. Cut 8 mozzarella sticks into 3 5-inch pieces and pat each piece dry with paper towel. Measure and arrange a breading station. 1 cup all-purpose flour seasoned with 1 teaspoon salt, 2 beaten eggs, and 1 cup fine breadcrumbs. For extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning to the crumbs. Place the cut cheese onto a tray, cover loosely, and freeze for 30 minutes to firm up before breading. When the cheese is firm, bread each piece by dredging in 1 cup flour, dipping in 2 beaten eggs, then coating with 1 cup seasoned breadcrumbs. Press firmly so crumbs adhere. For a thicker crust, double coat by repeating the egg and breadcrumb steps a second time and return to the freezer for 10 minutes. Cooking choices. Fry in neutral oil at 350 degrees F for 2 to 3 minutes until golden, or bake on a parchment-lined sheet at 400 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes for a lighter, less oily option. Serve cheese sticks immediately while hot and melty with 1 cup warmed marinara sauce or ranch dressing on the side, and optionally a squeeze of lemon for brightness. If you bake them, let rest for 2 minutes. If fried, drain briefly on paper towel to remove excess oil. To store, place leftover cooked sticks in an airtight container and refrigerate up to 3 days, or freeze uncooked breaded sticks on a tray for up to 1 month. Then transfer to a sealed bag for future use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.